Simuflight is now offering drone pilot training using state-of-the-art drone simulation and drone equipment. The course runs over 7 days. On completion, you will receive a South African Civil Aviation Authority issued remote pilot license qualification as a drone pilot. This course includes ground school, which covers subjects as air law, operational procedures, technical and general, flight principles, meteorology, navigation, and human factors. Instruction is presented by highly qualified instructors with both airline aviation background and experience. It culminates in flight training, which consists of 5 hours of simulated and practical drone flying time, as well as the skills test. Whether you want to upskill yourself or uplevel your videography, this course is your stepping stone to becoming a commercial drone pilot. No previous flying experience is required, and anyone can do it. Live the adventure through drone flying. Live the adventure through Simuflight.